In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on the Coinbase app. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies or just want a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Coinbase app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in your app store by simply searching for Coinbase. Once you have it installed and ready to go, tap on the app icon to open it up. Upon launch, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have a Coinbase account yet, you'll need to take a moment to create one, which is a straightforward process on the app. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the home screen. You'll find various options and features, but today we want to focus on buying Bitcoin. Locate and tap on the buy button. This is usually prominently displayed to make the process as seamless as possible for users. Once you've tapped buy, you'll be presented with a choice of cryptocurrencies. Browse through these options and select Bitcoin, which is often abbreviated as BTC. Next, you'll need to decide on your payment method. The Coinbase app supports a variety of payment options, so choose the one that suits you best. You might have the option of paying with a bank account, debit card, or another method depending on what's linked to your account. If you're setting this up for the first time, make sure to follow the app's prompts to link your desired payment method securely. Once your payment method is set, you'll need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. You can either input this amount in US dollars or directly in Bitcoin. The app provides real-time exchange rates and will automatically calculate the equivalent for you, so you can buy as much or as little Bitcoin as you want. Before you finalize your purchase, it's important to carefully review all the transaction details. Double check to make sure everything looks right, especially the transaction fees. Knowing the costs upfront helps in making informed financial decisions, so don't skip this step. Finally, when you're satisfied with the details and are ready to proceed, simply tap Buy Now to complete your purchase. The transaction will process and your Bitcoin will be added to your Coinbase wallet shortly. And that's it, you've successfully purchased Bitcoin using the Coinbase app. This straightforward process makes it easy for anyone to enter the exciting world of cryptocurrency investing. Be sure to keep your app updated for the latest features and improvements, and until next time, happy investing.